The birth of the B-21 Raider marks a new era in the evolution of global air power, where artificial intelligence, next-generation stealth, and multi-domain interoperability form the foundation of future warfare. Unlike its predecessors, which focused primarily on strategic strike capabilities, the Raider is designed as a technological ecosystem, a future platform that not only executes missions, but also autonomously processes, analyzes, and leads information-based warfare. With a philosophy of human oversight, machine execution, the B-21 places humans in the strategic decision-making role, while AI handles operational burdens previously impossible without a large crew. This monumental step reflects not only a technical transformation, but also an ideological shift in modern warfare. If the B-52 represents the era of classic nuclear deterrence during the Cold War and the B-2 is the icon of stealth penetration, then the B-21 Raider represents the digital era of warfare where data, networks, and algorithmic intelligence are becoming weapons on par with missiles and bombs. The shift to a crew of just two is a significant shift in the defense industry's decades-old paradigm. Operating a strategic bomber previously required a navigator, communications operator, weapons technician, threat analyst, and electronic warfare officer. Now, these roles have been replaced by a network of interconnected AI systems, working in parallel, capable of processing threats in milliseconds. Pilots no longer have to monitor hundreds of indicators in the cockpit or manually navigate through dangerous airspace. Instead, AI automatically calculates courses with optimal stealth profiles, maps enemy defenses, and even predicts the actions of enemy anti-air systems using digital pattern analysis. Meanwhile, the WSO acts as the weapons and strategy commander managing electronic warfare, missile systems, and long-term tactical operations. The human-AI relationship on the Raider is not simply a technological integration, but an operational symbiosis that is transforming the way air warfare is conducted. The B-21 Raider was designed not just to drop bombs, but to be the command center of modern warfare, a versatile warfighting platform capable of simultaneously conducting long-range strike missions, strategic reconnaissance, cyber warfare, suppression of enemy air defenses, and combat network management. This means the Raider can penetrate enemy territory undetected, gather multi-spectrum intelligence, and then relay and process that information within the global command network in real time. Furthermore, the Raider is designed to coordinate loyal wingman combat drones, direct other aircraft, and act as a flying brain connecting satellites, ground bases, and the air fleet. Its functions transcend traditional classifications. It is not just a bomber, not just an intelligence aircraft, but a super platform capable of penetrating, detecting, destroying, and controlling elements of warfare across multiple domains: air, digital, and electromagnetic. The B-21 Raider is a first-generation aircraft designed from the outset with the open mission systems concept. This means its hardware and software are modular, capable of being replaced, upgraded, or even completely changed without re-engineering the aircraft's structure. This approach enables the integration of next-generation hypersonic weapon systems, quantum sensors, new AI variants, and electronic warfare technologies not yet developed. With its continuous upgradability, the Raider has the operational potential to last for decades without losing technical relevance. This solves a classic global military problem: fighter aircraft becoming obsolete before their operational lifespan. In a rapidly changing geopolitical context, this technological flexibility makes the Raider not just a platform, but a long-term military infrastructure. The The minimum production target of 100 B-21 Raiders is not simply a numerical decision, but rather a geopolitical calculation in the strategic competition with China and Russia. The United States needs a platform capable of maintaining strategic air penetration superiority against modern air defense systems, including next-generation anti-stealth radars, anti-access hypersonic missiles, and eye-based sensor networks of adversaries. However, some analysts believe this figure is too conservative. With the growing multipolar threat landscape in the Indo-Pacific, Eastern Europe, and the Arctic region, operational requirements for the Raider are estimated to reach 150 to 180 units to maintain readiness for a simultaneous two-front war. While the Raiders have not yet reached full operational capability, the U.S. will continue to utilize its fleet of B-2S, B-52s, and B-1S as a strategic bridge of transition to the next generation of air dominance. The B-21 is designed to carry a combination of America's most powerful strategic weapons, from a GM-181L RSO cruise missiles and B-6113, precision-guided nuclear bombs to future hypersonic long-range precision weapons. All of these are stored internally to maintain a low radar profile as it approaches enemy territory. With its flexible internal payload format, the Raider can shift mission characteristics from long-range conventional strike to nuclear deterrence operations simply by reconfiguring the payload without design changes and without compromising stealth. This flexibility makes the Raider not just a strike platform, but a symbol of strategic power that can deliver diplomatic warning, psychological impact, and military punch all in one operational entity. It can destabilize enemy defenses even before the first missile is fired because its mere presence is a deterrent. The B-21 Raider is a new milestone in the intertwining of human, technological, and digital intelligence into a single platform that could determine the outcome of future major conflicts. It's not just an aircraft, it represents the evolution of warfare toward an era where algorithms, sensors, and combat networks determine victory before the enemy even realizes it. With its ability to learn, adapt, and evolve systematically, the Raider symbolizes that the future of war is no longer a battle of industrial muscle, but a competition of intelligence, digital, strategic, and autonomous. This isn't just weaponry. This is the future of global air dominance.